you. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in Ubud and I'm staying at an Ubud Adiwana hotel. Last time I stayed at the Swata hotel, and this time I stay at the one that is opposite to the hotel that I stayed last time. Is called the Adiwana Unagi Suites. So anyway, I'm just getting a standard, they say, mountain view room, forest view room, facing the main pool. But anyway, I have to double check because I believe they are all suites, but this one doesn't look like a suite room to me. But anyway, I would still continue to do a quick room tour for you. So they used a curtain, similar to a lot of the W hotel, to isolate the bathroom with the main room. So they do have a good sized bathtub here. Okay, and then of course they have the rain shower as well as the amenities. Okay, they have the single sink with a good number of towels and water, and then the hair dryer, and this is the toilet area. Okay, so again, as I say, they use the curtain to close this area out if you need to, but again, the curtain can separate the views, but the sound, the sound of taking a shower, whatever, will still be here, using the curtain. Okay, so similar to the other hotel that I stay, I really like their painting, the masterpiece in the hotel room, and that is another beautiful piece of painting here. And this is a good size king size bed with good thick mattress, as well as good linens and good pillow. Okay, so moving right along, this is their welcome fruit, and then the mini bar is actually included except the wine. Okay, and then this is kind of the work desk area, and this is the breakfast menu. So the person who bring me to the room explained that I can have breakfast in the room, in the balcony, or in the restaurant. So I'm going to take a look and let them know later. So this is the main pool. Okay, so if I go out from this door, you can see my room actually has the main pool view. So this is the balcony. And this is the main pool with all the lush screen as the backdrop. Okay, so I just came back in to give you a final look of my room. Again, Adiwana is one of the highest rating hotel in Ubud area, and I think they have a total of 6, and I stayed at one last time and now the second one because I do like the hospitality. So I am staying here again this time. Okay, so I'll have breakfast tomorrow morning. Maybe I'll just order it and eat at the balcony, or maybe. So I will show you more. Just follow me.